What's up guys, AAP fishing today. We're out here, we got a small canal. We're going for some dinosaurs. We have the kayaks, we're going for white sturgeon. Some ghost shrimp in there. But this will be epic. Hopefully we get out there. We're gonna paddle out 4 miles. We use the high tide to push us out there. And then hopefully get on some giant sturgeon on a kayak. It'll be sick. But we've been trying to do this for a while, but we finally got the right tides, no wind. It's looking good. Just rained yesterday, so they should be hungry, hopefully. And we can get on some big dinosaurs on the kayak. See, I'll show you guys. Here's the montage of us paddling out. We're out. I'll drive by. Maybe a third of the way there. Okay, maybe halfway there. I was expecting the current to be a little more present, but it's nice. Just cruising. Take a break and we're still moving the right direction. Oh, made it. Shout out to Die Hard for this little method. Cast that out, let it sit, and watch for a little tiny tap. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna cast it to the left a little bit because we're right on the shore right here. But here we go. Okay, should be perfect. We're just gonna watch. I'll give you guys an update if I start getting bit. But my dad's fish on. Might be a little sturgeon. Something small. Maybe a little sturgeon. Oh shoot.
Sturgeon.
You seen it?
Nobody saw me. Took the fuck off.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's gotta be a sturge. Try to keep that frick your anchor. Watch your anchor.
Should I just drop it? I don't know.
Just keep fighting. Try to bring your rod to the other side. Oh. It's probably a shark. Oh my god.
Oh, hell yeah.
Let's go. Damn. Oh my god. Woo.
Yeah, baby.
It's so quick. It's been like 10 minutes. Try to pull him up. Oh my god. That's crazy. Woo! Yeah. Let's go.
Got him?
Yeah. Nice. Okay, we went down. In a bit. Come on. Come on. Yes, sir, baby. Fish on. Fish on, baby. Yeah. Woo! Damn! Woo! Damn! Woo! Hey, I got that on video. Holy! Woo! Come on. Y'all see that? Oh my god. Oh my. He just jumped so good. Yeah, I think so. Woo! Yo! Yo! Oh my god. Dude, he's an acrobat. He's gonna jump right here. Woo. Holy. Holy. He's staying down. Yeah. Come on. Come on. That's crazy. It's towing me around. On the other side. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Get my phone in the waterproof thing for when I pull them up. Oh my god. Shoo! Let's go. Come on. I got splashed by his jump. Yeah, yeah. Try to get the right angle. Okay. Oh yeah. Yep. He's pulling us. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, 1 second. Making me do circles. Oh yeah. Doing circles, holy. It's a big one. Yeah. Oh. Oh, he's coming up. Oh my god, there he goes. Whew. There we go. Pulling the boat, pulling the boat. Pulling the boat. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy. Oh my god. This is so sick. Jesus. He's pulling. Jesus Christ. Oh, there we go. We're gonna jump, I think. He's gonna jump. Take this down so you guys can see. There he goes again. Oh my God, he's not done. Bubbles. Leader. Oh my God. Oh yeah, there he is. It's a giant. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's try to, I'm gonna get him to the other side. Oh my God. Whoa. This is a 60. Oh, yo, my God. Holy shoot. He's huge. He's huge. How am I gonna do this? This back here. I can't even get, I'm not gonna get him up. He's huge. That's absolute, oh my gosh. What a fish. What a freaking fish. Okay, we're just gonna get him. Here's just a picture of him on the side of the kayak. Whew. I don't know, this is so and hard. It's so tough. Oh my God. Oh wow. Look at that fish. Dude. Trying to get his tail. He is huge. Oh no! Okay, look at that fish. Yeah. That's the one right there. Holy. Okay, we're gonna take this hook out of him. Barbless hook. It's gonna come out really easy. There he goes. He's swimming off strong. Holy. Whew. And that ghost shrimp, baby. Wow. What a crazy day out here. We got 2 sturgeon. One was about 45 inches. Mine was about 60, probably over 60 inches. Pretty crazy. Those are some epic jumps. Don't get much better than that on the kayak especially. So yeah, like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. See you guys later.